Here I have ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you should hold down power key, and when this power off menu appears, hold down your finger on shutdown, then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode. Just tap OK and device will be restarted as usual, but in the safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So when you're done using safe mode, if you want to quit it, what you have to do is to just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.